Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, I'm going to walk you through a foolproof way to be able to deactivate your account, even though Facebook constantly changes around where the menu items are. Now, let's jump right in. Open up the Facebook app, again, on your iPhone, Android, or go to facebook.com. I'm using my wife's account because it looks a little bit different and they're constantly rolling out an update. Now on here, you can see the three lines at the top left. Tap on those three lines at the top left. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now I'll be able to get to my settings that way in this phone. However, it might look different for you. And if it looks different, there's no problem. I'll show you how to get to your settings a foolproof way. Let's go back home and tap on the search icon at the top right. And then search for settings. Tap on search at the bottom right. And then tap on general account settings. No matter what device you're on, this will bring you to your settings, and it should look the exact same now from here on out. Tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down. Tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on Manage next to Facebook. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure it is selected to deactivate your account and not delete your account. Tap on Continue here. And it's really important to follow the exact steps that I take next because it will automatically reactivate your account without your permission or knowledge if you don't change something. Next, let's enter in the password for that account. Let me just autofill the password and hit Continue. After you've done that, you can choose whatever you want here. It doesn't matter. Tap Continue. Scroll down, and this is where I was talking about. It says automatically reactivate your account in 7 days. Tap on that and switch this to don't reactivate automatically. This will allow you to manually reactivate when you are ready to do so. Tap on Done at the bottom. Tap on Continue at the bottom. Scroll down, tap on Deactivate My Account. Essentially, this will deactivate Messenger and Facebook. To reactivate, just log back into your Facebook account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the one over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.